Good morning. If you guys are like me, you're a little nervous about the fact, in fact, I know some of you are nervous because you told me in your check-ins about the fact that we're nervous about all this technology and if it will work. So last night I was up very late, but I got everything in here, I do believe. So I wanted to show you what you would be seeing this morning. This morning you're going to see your daily check-in show up in your feed. You're going to click right here, Add Response. When you click the Add Response, your template will then come up and you can fill out your daily check-in sheet. The second thing I want to show you is the playlist. So you're finally here and we are going to be meeting here at 10 o'clock and I want to show you how to do this. You're going to click Add Response. And right now I'm just going to be a sample student so that you can see what that's going to look like. You'll get to my our little classroom for the year. This is it. So if you look on my shelf, you'll see the days of the week. These are the links that will take you to what you need for that day. So when you hit see Tuesday, today is Tuesday, you will click that. It'll take you right to your playlist. This little thing right here is your link. All of these are linked so that you can see where you need to go. So when you're ready for the Google Meet at 10 a.m. and 1:15, now that says Mrs. Schatzley, but today it will be just us. Tomorrow it will be Mrs. Schatzley, but you're going to stay with me at 10 a.m. So this is the link that you will see. This then is all of the links to the videos that you need to watch today. And then the activities that you're going to do are actually going to be in your Seesaw feed, and I will show you that here in just a minute. So all you do is you click the link to go to the video, and then you press the play button here to listen to the video. And this is a book, First Aid Jitters, that I'm going to read to you. So once you have done that, on your iPads, if you look, once you read the video, it takes you out of Seesaw. But if you'll look in the upper left-hand, very top corner of your iPad, you'll see a little back arrow that it's just like a little tiny black arrow, and it'll say Seesaw. You'll want to click that, and it'll take you right back to Seesaw. Otherwise, go to Clever and then click Seesaw, and you'll be fine. All right, so that is what you'll do. Now, you're going, Mrs. Grillo, but how do I get to my work? Good question. I am going to delete this because I'm not doing the assignment. You will not want to delete it. I will show you on this next assignment what you will want to do. So after you've watched the Jitter Juice, after you've watched the Jitter, First Aid Jitters book, sorry, you're going to want to do the Jitter Juice emoji activity. So you will click, you can play the instructions. It'll tell you exactly what you need to do.
Jitter Juice emojis. Did you?
And then you'll hit Add Response. I'm going to show you again as a sample student. All right, these are your tools. There are some videos to show you what the tools are. There's more tools over here. This is how you take a picture. This is how you record your voice. So it'll tell you then how to do your emojis, and you're going to place your emojis right here. If you have any questions, you can always go back here to view instructions. Now, let's say that you have to go to the bathroom or somebody comes in and bothers you, and you want to make sure that you don't lose your work. This little button right here, you'll see it up here in blue, says Draft. You can click that button, and that is like your save thing. So when you go back to your feed, it'll tell you you're not done, that you have done it in a draft, and you need to show the draft. So you're going to show the draft. All right. That is your Jitter Juice emoji. Now, when you want to go back to your activity feed, you just click right here on your activity feed, and it'll take you right back to everything you need to do. Now, we are told that once you finish it, so if you finish this activity, it will disappear so that you only see what you still need to do. That's a lot of information. Here's the backpack activity that you need to do today. And then we're going to talk in our meet about the self-care plan, but this is here for you as well. So that is everything that should be out for you today. Please start with your daily check-in. That is how we will take attendance. Then move on to your playlist and start watching the videos. Make sure at 10 o'clock you are on for our first live meet. I can't wait to see you. Thank you. Have a great morning.